Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Lincoln MKZ key fob. First, gather all your existing and any new key fobs you wish to program. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted process. You'll need to locate the programming slot or button, which can vary slightly by model year. Then, follow the specific sequence carefully for successful pairing of each fob. To begin, sit comfortably in the driver's seat with all your key fobs, both old and new. Ensure all vehicle doors are closed securely before proceeding to the next step. Now, insert an already programmed key into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This prepares your vehicle for the programming sequence. Now for the main programming step. Quickly turn the ignition from the on position to the off position 8 times. Make sure to end with the ignition in the on position. The doors should lock and unlock, indicating programming mode. Within 10 seconds, press any button on the new key fob you wish to program. Repeat this for all additional key fobs you have. Once all key fobs are programmed, turn the ignition to the off position and remove the key. This exits the programming mode. Now, it's time to test each of your newly programmed key fobs. Walk around the vehicle and press each button, such as lock, unlock, and trunk release, to ensure they all function correctly. Congratulations, your Lincoln MKZ key fobs are now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.